Alright. Just figured we'd go over more of anything that is needed for the Steam page, fill Dave in on what that stuff is. And also, I do have a build up. I didn't do anything else, honestly. It's been a super fucking busy week for me.
I have a bunch of stuff I wanted to get your guys' input on for the Steam page. I basically did all the text parts. I just need the images and a couple other things. But some of it is actually, one thing is actually more complicated than I thought it would be. But if other people have stuff to do first, we can do that last.
I don't. I'm still in like the brainstorming phase of
creating everything.
Artening.
Artening, yeah. We can do a. Oh, go ahead, Dave.
What were you saying, Dave?
That I have some drawings.
Kind of cutting out a little bit.
Hello,
You're
you
super
can hear me?
quiet. Oh, now I can hear you. You're like, we could hear you, and then for a second we couldn't, and then we could hear you, and then we couldn't.
I think it's more your attenuation or something than your volume.
My thing's right up next to my mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
Still on the
It sounds fine when I can hear you. Yeah, it's just like Chris says. Sometimes it's like you. It's almost like you move away from your mic.
Turn your yeah. I would say turn your attenuation down so that you don't have to talk right into your mic.
Turn it off of auto. Yeah, auto attenuation I think is actually pretty shit. Never do it. Just set it at a limit.
It's at its low. It's at like -92 decibels.
Really?
I know.
Crazy.
It must be a noise gate or something on your mic then.
Is it still happening?
It's not happening right now, but it happens relatively frequently.
Do you have the voice processing on, Dave? Like Crisp or whatever? No echo cancellation or voice processor. Go into voice and video because that's the only place you can see it now. They hid it away.
The Crisp thing is still noise suppression powered by Crisp on the next to the call thing or the disconnect button.
Well, if you it's in voice and video, maybe it is still there on the. Oh, I guess so. So you have that off, right?
Yeah, I'll turn it on right now. Did it change anything?
No, I found that I've sometimes had the issue that it sounds like you're having now when that is on. But go into your settings, Dave, and go to voice and video, and go on voice. What's your input volume?
Input volume is at 72%.
Put it all the way up to 100.
I don't know that'll change anything.
That should just make his bass mic louder for us when we do hear him.
And then put the input sensitivity, as low as you can get it without it picking up background noise.
And it's already pretty low. Like I said, it was at -92.
Here's the question. When you stream on Twitch, do you ever watch it back and do you ever notice your voice cutting out on there? Because that will tell us if it's Discord or a hardware issue.
I don't really notice my voice cutting out even when I watch your stream.
It's good now. I don't know.
It's mostly fine. It's I would say one in every. Yeah, it happens like once or twice a night where it happens, so it's not a huge deal either way. But
shows your drawings.
Actually, I have a set
Oh,
designed for the scientist or slash doctor dude.
You redesigned him? You give him glasses?
Only
you
for this
said?
one because he's looking at charts.
Okay.
I redesigned his fucking poses.
Yeah, his poses. Yeah, that looks good.
Right
So these
on.
will be his four. That's the only
kind of looks
new.
like he's foaming at the mouth when he's about to do the defibrillator, and I'm all there for that.
I could make it actually be be like that, I guess. When I do the actual
The real ones.
lines, real lines. That's
See, if I'm a crazy
the.
one, I guess
Still
it's
have-
too similar. But
I need one. I need another design for the strong guy. Designed.
strong guy still
The
needs
rest of his buttons are done.
I still think he needs panicking, like the holding his head one from the
That is a
bad
good
ones.
one. I use that one a
Panicking. I
lot
could do a panic one.
regularly.
I might go with chewing on his fingernails though. Now that thinking how we do it
Sure, sounds good to me.
I can't believe you
or
do all of
something.
these in one file. That's insane to me.
Yeah, it gets unmanageable after a long time, but I don't know. It's whatever. I'm not gonna open up a billion different fucking files. But that's the latest. Just gonna
Right
continue
on.
regiving a bunch of our stickers.
Want to do a round? It's been a while.
Sure.
Trying to find a way to use like the color halftones in a more interesting way, not just like we only have like the black or like the monotone halftones, the dots. Trying to make that, because I feel it would really pop if we had like that, and it would read as like a print thing, and then I haven't cracked it yet. That's
This is for the Steam page still.
yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
starting to work on.
Well, I have faith that you'll figure it out because I have no idea how to suggest any of that. That is not my area of expertise. I very much rely on you and Dave for all that stuff. I put the link or the code in Discord. We're on strip dev. As a reminder, the avatars will be all weird because we still haven't fixed them. I think the plan at some point was either to have Jeff or Dave create custom avatars, just that I would put straight in there. Yours kind of works.
I love curtain toilet.
I feel like yours just looks like a dice bouncing or something, or like someone knocked it off the ground. Dave is, someone's paying him for a phone.
Can't control my mouse.
Can't control your mouse. Interesting. Don't know why that would be. You could before that.
I haven't been able. I haven't seen it go with the actual cursor.
You clicked into the game, right? You clicked into the window.
Yeah, I'm moving the window all around. I'm trying to minimize.
Alright, we'll just do a refresh.
Should
I
look
guess
at
if you just
my
do
thing?
yeah, you can go look at the console, see if
Well,
there's any error. Just hit
failed to
F12
load
and
resource. The server responded with status 404.
that's the like icon. That's favicon, whatever the fuck that means. I forget what that means, but it's the
Yeah.
icon on the tab. Don't worry about that. Anything other red shit?
It says there's 44 like yield signs. Errors only, warnings. Warnings matter.
Sometimes they can matter. A lot of times they don't.
Sticker handlers disabled. Manual synchronization of Unity application.
We're mostly looking at for errors. Don't worry about warnings. There's a lot of
Yeah.
warnings that pop.
Have I?
No errors, no red.
Just not other than the one I said really matter.
All right. Well, let's. And you you didn't like jump in anywhere else, right? You just are jumping in here.
No, I don't have any other.
All right. Let's back out and we'll try again. You can go into offline mode real quick, Dave. Can you control the mouse there?
I mean, I could click on things in the.
Yeah, that's a different
No,
thing.
it's not moving.
Refresh the page entirely. The version number for you is 0.6.1.
Yeah.
Oh wait, mine isn't. Mine is 0.6.0.
All right, now I can click.
Oh wait, sorry, I'm probably on
Chris-
stripped.
Yeah, you need to be
maybe
on
on
the
dev.
normal one. Alright, I'll create a new thing. I'll figure out whatever the fuck that is later. There's a new code.
What's the URL for the dev one again? It's not coming up in my.
/strip dev.
Capital S,
Yes,
capital D.
capital.
For some reason it matters and I don't know why.
So feed Science Diet with our clinically proven antioxidant blend, helping pets live healthier as long as possible.
Nope.
Because you're only human, there's hills.
Yeah,
Backslash.
like actual help.
Sorry, what
Yeah,
was
I'll
it?
just put it in.
Ambassadors offer in-person assistance, and if you can't drop by, you can always get help online or through the app.
You're my hero. Switch to easy banking with no fee, no minimum, Capital One 360 checking.
Alright.
I haven't seen your hand move, Dave. What's going on?
I got up to get a soda. It worked in offline mode though, when it wasn't. So I'm sure it's fine.
Yeah, I'm just not. Just gonna make sure everyone's mouse moves before we get started.
Mine is not moving now, actually.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hold on.
Refresh and rejoin. Can you rejoin yet? What happens if you?
I think it's a race condition. I think this happened when I upgraded a Unity version because the old Unity version was a little bugged. Can you? Are these all you, Chris, trying to log in? as
I'm not
different people?
imposter. I don't know who that is.
Are you streaming?
I am streaming. I'm HDR9P9 and ...
Someone else watching your stream?
I don't know, but do
Someone
you want me
might.
to just turn it off? Or do you want
Yeah,
to?
I mean, we could let someone try. I guess I don't really care that much, but we need people. At the very least, everyone needs to be able to move their fucking fingers. I think it's a race condition. I think it broke when I upgraded the Unity version. Something broke about the way the player handler works. Like for some reason it just doesn't register properly, and I thought I fixed it, but it doesn't seem to be fixed. If Imposter wants to join, I don't actually care.
Oh, that's not one of us?
No, it was someone new. It seemed to be. I assume it was someone watching your stream. Oh, actually, though.
Who the fuck watches my stream?
I don't know.
I
Hold
don't
on.
know. I'm the only one in there right now. So
I mean,
Someone was there.
I multi-stream
Called
to
imposter.
YouTube, so it could be from YouTube or Twitch technically. But hold on, let me open my chat and see how many viewers I have.
And move.
oh, two. There is someone in there.
Goofy King, if this is you, speak
The
your
return of the
say-
Goofy King.
He was here. He was
Good
here a
difference.
couple times, like recently, so it might be him. This you, Goofy King? Oh, I have the chat open now.
How's it going?
I only
Oh, buried things. Oh, right on. How's it going, man? It's a Ludum
may
Dare
or
friend.
May not work. We'll see. How do I do this? I need to go here. Let me know if
Well,
everyone
let him
can
play
move
the
their
game,
hands.
then.
Yeah, you can
I'll
play.
let him play the
Do you want to
game.
play the
Yeah, they're
game?
welcome to
That's
play.
that's the game we're working on right now. I assume that was you that joined.
We have a fucking bug now. So.
But yeah, we're experiencing a bad bug right now, trying to figure it out.
Shall I join?
If we,
Can everyone move their hands? Let me know.
you are very
I-
much welcome to join. We're trying to get it working here. Like a Jackbox kind of game. Sorry, is there a new join code? Yes.
Yeah, I put it in the thing. Let me know if anyone gets in and cannot move their hand.
1 sec.
I still seem to be unable to move my hand. Although it seems to be a problem with like I can't click into the window. I can't full screen it either.
Yeah, I can't move mine either.
My
Oh, what a
hand is
pain in the
so
ass this is. It's all because of the fucking upgrade, and I just didn't have enough time after work to put the time into it to fix it.
Buried Thing says his hand moves okay.
Thank you.
Well, you know what? I haven't refreshed, so I'll.
It's not a refresh. I think it's a race condition. Basically,
Someone's gonna get it?
loads, Yeah, so
Uh,
it'll well not like someone will get it, but everyone will have a chance to get it. And it will depend on how fast different parts of your game load. So like it's something like it's because we don't have like a proper top bottom initialization sequence in the game. So like there two things can be initializing at the same time, and if the one does before the other is ready, it'll break. Which is unfortunate. You could try leaving and coming back. We'll see if that works. I don't remember if I enabled that.
So when I left and came back, my original self was still in here.
And I had to fight him.
Outside of the imposter, there
Like
was
that movie,
still
The
two
Wall.
of
Let's
me.
do it one more time. Let's try it one more time and see if I can.
Or like that
and
movie.
Chris, if you could go,
Mickey
everyone before
17.
they just to be safe, everyone before they jump into an offline mode to see if your hand moves, and if your hand moves there, then jump in.
My
hand
hand
didn't
does
move
move.
offline
mode
My
this
hand is
time.
fine in
Yeah,
offline.
my hand moves in offline.
All right, now come back out, and then.
And I'm joining with the same code from last time.
URL
No, it's a new
Not
one. We
strict dev.
get a new one every
Let me
time.
know if I should move.
Here you go.
Tongue sticking out.
Oh, Buried Things is noting that he's on the non-dev
My
branch.
hand isn't moving offline.
Technically, it shouldn't matter if it breaks that way. That's
Although
fine
the
if
hand
it's
was not working for me in either of those places, so
I remember my mom would always bring out the beautiful.
what is this
red Christmas
nonsense
green
I'm
rainbow.
hearing in my
Oh, interesting.
My
That is
hand works
interesting. I
now.
think that makes sense. Dave, are you broken?
I am broken. Yeah. What?
Is
Yeah,
it
I'm
always the
broken.
third person?
Oh, maybe.
Chris, come in.
Does it?
Does your hand work?
My hand still does not work.
I don't get it.
I don't see your
I
hand
don't
though.
understand.
I was in
That would have been under yours,
Oh, okay.
or could have been under yours. Oh, what a pain! What a pain! What a
And now it
pain!
does after
What a
refresh.
shame!
Ooh, it's a pain.
What a shame. So Chris, why don't you try hosting, Chris, and I'll join you.
Alright, let me try to host. Alright. I will paste the code in Discord now. It's very easy. It's LLHMT. And my hand is working now.
Alright, I'm joining. Oh, I put the codes in backwards. Oops. Alright, my hand works.
I don't know if this gives
Yeah,
you any.
I am number 3 and I cannot move it.
Why? That's very weird. That's even weirder, Jeff. Even
Um,
weirder, Jeff.
I
I
don't know if
can't
this
move mine
gives you
either,
any
and
information,
I'm
but Barry
more-
Things is noting that his
Maybe
hand
over 3?
did not work in the offline, but it did work after a
Okay.
refresh.
All this points to the same thing that I thought it was originally, that it's a race condition and it's just random basically. Now it's weird that it's just always the third person, but I think it is just
I
still
also
random.
If we start the game right
Yeah,
now, hold
yeah.
on. If we start the game right now, does it fix it maybe?
No, it won't. I'm also noticing some relay errors. Some of this could be Unity specific. Hit F12, Jeff. Do you have
Yeah.
any red errors that are not the fab icon?
We have more red arrows.
Yeah, I do. I'll paste them in.
Okay, thank you.
Well, we are exactly the same
Ooh.
color, Jeff.
Yeah, that's
Basically.
pretty rare. It's literally a random color. Value cannot be null. Parameter
Wait,
data.
what color are you?
I'm purple. Actually, we're
You do
slightly
not look
different.
Like the same color to me. Yeah. Okay.
Let me leave. Let me try joining from
I'm
my
like-
editor real quick. See if I can get any.
Blue, like
Oh, now you're blue.
slightly dark blue.
Trace. Okay, buckets. Yeah, I got a content path. The server responded with status 401. I think that one is actually fine. Yeah, Jeff had that argument value cannot be null, which is an interesting bug, or one I have not seen
You've
before.
made builds on this version of Unity though, right?
Presumably the. Okay, here. Now I'm actually getting the same error. Perfect. This is actually great, and I'm in my editor. So give me a second. To figure out why that is. Network player. I think I see why.
Why's your stream look super blown out? Super saturated.
Oh, that's not me. Hold on. Where's me? Which one is me? I gotta figure that out.
Everybody's still in the room. I'm only
Here we go,
seeing
sorry.
2 hands.
Oh, I got kicked.
Oh, I don't know if I'm hidden now. Is there a new? Oh no.
I'm sorry, I might have kicked you. I thought everybody left.
I'm out.
Oh no no.
Oh, did
I
you leave?
no. I was still in the LOL.
Create another one, Chris. Sorry, if I can test it in my editor, I can get a little bit more data here. Oh, it's a bummer. Someone was here to play the game that was a brand new face. That would have been nice, but
Yeah, I mean, still here. He's still hanging out.
yeah.
How's it going, man? You were launching. I think you were launching a game the last time we spoke. How'd that go?
What's the project, anyway?
It's basically. Have you ever played Jackbox? It's a Jackbox game where you make comics. You don't have to draw or anything though. You make them out of little stickers, and then you all vote on whose is the funniest. Whose comic makes the funnies that week in the paper.
Alright, give me a second. No one else joined because I'm gonna leave and join back in a little
Gotcha,
bit.
gotcha. Nice.
I'll see if I can fix this real quick, because if I can just... identify the cause. Once I know the cause, it might be a really quick fix.
Right on.
Yet it's been a little while. Not sure which game we were doing. Could have been Waiver or Words on the Street.
I think Waiver. I think Waiver was the one you were doing last time we spoke.
Oh, this is the Words on the Street person I followed.
We also did. Fairy Things was actually the name of their game that we played on one of our earliest Ludum Dare. I would play, and you guys watch streams.
Wow, that's a good few years ago now.
Yeah, it's been a minute. I haven't done a Ludum Dare at all this year, or any game jams this year, mostly because we've been working on this and other projects. You still game jamming?
I check in occasionally, but you often don't look at chat, haha.
Yeah, sorry about that. I very often don't look at chat. You had to literally join the game to get my attention.
Join the game we created.
But we've also missed some to our bigger projects.
Right on. What's your big project? What's your main project right now?
Flew into Berlin yesterday. But just clear one thing up for me.
It worked.
Everyone, gotcha.
Laughing face. This year we've been making a roguelike called Cursed Words. I actually stopped by to see if you wanted a code.
Oh, right on. Hell yeah. I'll take a code. Is it early access right now? Or, yeah, what stage are you in? I'll definitely, if you got a Steam page too, I'll definitely give you a wish list. Oh, right on. This looks rad.
It's in a public playtest with a release scheduled for March. We have codes to a streamer build with a bit more content, though happy to let you in the private version. Happy face.
Right on.
Chris,
yeah.
you have a new join code. Can you start or someone else want? Can someone else start a room?
I can start a room.
Timed up.
Like a Boggle Balatro sort of thing.
Yeah, it looks like a Boggle Balatro. Very neat. Let me, I'm having trouble making a room now, actually.
Also, I don't know if that's...
What is it saying?
Oh, there it goes. I got some error code, and then I refresh, and it's gone now. I'll paste it in the Discord.
It's probably just you timed out or whatever, but yeah, put the error code in Discord. If you see it.
Sorry, I just exited out of it when I hit refresh, but there's the new code.
It's fine. I mostly care about this other bug. Okay, so the input yeah, don't worry about it. It's gonna happen. No. I just have to fix it. Whatever is happening, I need to fix.
I'm in my head.
Okay. Initialized. The network initializes. Input wrapper initializes. The cursor controller comes on. But then does the cursor controller ever get registered to the initializer? That's the next question. Cursor controller base. This is an input listener. And in theory, that should register to the input wrapper. at some point, which is in the player. Okay, this
Oh.
is probably where the actual error is.
Make sure that my thing is up. My hand is working, by the way.
Yeah, don't worry. Like, whoever's working isn't working. It's just a bug, and I'm gonna have to solve it. Like, it's just gonna be something I need to.
Marcus, once the thing opens, going from his editor.
I just need it open so that I can jump in and out on my editor, and debug log.
I'll make sure I don't lose window focus so that it doesn't kick.
Yeah, we'll time out at some point, and I don't have automatic like keep alive logic in there.
Everyone go wishlist Buried Things' game on Steam. It's called Cursed Words.
I'll do it after this.
I will also give it a try when I can step away from this window, but even if you bounce, I will stream it and I'll send you the clip of me playing if you're interested.
The bigger version, then I guess post something in chat so I can DM you. Playtest has plenty in it too though. Up to you.
Alright, here, let me I'll post something in chat. It should go to all the chats.
Registered listener.
Wish list.
I'm starting Wednesday now instead of Monday. New job because the person that I'm supposed to be shadowing is out for Hanukkah. So there's nobody for me to follow around.
Yeah, that would be a problem.
Okay, so interestingly, it does have the listener, which is the mouse cursor controller. Is it a weird thing where I don't have authority over my own hand?
He's possessed.
I am the owner.
ADHD friend avoids busy places, then this
What if I
is the
turn off the
page
network
that
synchronizer?
truly
No,
supports
okay.
them.
Still works. Or still doesn't work. I'm the owner, I'm on mouse control. I see.
Can't play that. Will be a copyright strike.
Tons of shit.
Come on up if you're coming up. Alright, fuck you then. Are you coming? Come on.
Alright.
Alright. Okay.
I also don't like that the default setting for interesting, so that doesn't. Okay, we're getting somewhere actually. One debug log that should be logging is not logging, and that's good.
Cat.
That's good to see. So it gives us a place to look. Yeah.
Buried Things, if you don't want to hear spoilers for Expedition 33, I'm about to ask Jeff about how he felt about the ending.
Oh my god.
you got the so if you picked a
There are
fight
no good endings.
as Verso.
Yeah.
There are no good endings, yeah.
I mean, they
Someone
played it
suffers
perfect.
either
They
way.
played it perfect, so like, the choice came up, and I'm like, do I want to be Mael or do I want to be Verso?
So sorry, I
Like,
can't remember.
I-
If you pick Verso, does that mean you get the
The good ending, in my opinion. Well, I mean, the better ending.
That one's definitely the good ending. The other one is
the tone of it? The tone of
cruel.
it definitely, like the tone of the game is definitely that if it's the one I'm thinking of, where it's him, you know.
The one where everybody in the paint. The one where they destroy the painting.
Yeah, the one where they're
essentially.
outside the painting at the end.
Yeah.
So that one definitely tonally feels like the right one, but I think Dave agreed with me here. That I don't know, like
Gods, these paint people deserve their lives.
yeah, like that, like
Yeah, I agreed. I did. I mean, I also picked the male ending because I didn't want to kill a bunch of paint people. But it's not the good ending.
Need Verso to exist as an engine of eternal suffering, and
I didn't. Yeah, like it definitely felt
like
the way it was portrayed was it felt like the worst of the two when I went back and watched it. Like I saw that one first, and then I went back and watched the other one and was like, wow, that one's like has much more of a tone of closure, and like it feels much more like, yeah, if one of them's the good ending, it's that one. I didn't love that.
Have you well, anyway, start off, like, the way they presented it, like they really presented it as, like, this is the one I really want to do, this is the one I should do. That's how I felt when I was picking anyway. It took me a while.
Yeah, and that's a good thing. Like, oh, it actually takes thought of like, oh man, what do I want to do?
I didn't get to
here?
experience that because I didn't actually play
Well,
the
that
game.
probably comes with actually playing the game, yeah.
But like, yeah, like, I mean, the ending is essentially like, have you ever read The Ones That Walk Away from Omelas?
I definitely have heard of it. That's not Ursula Le Guin, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, Dave was just talking about
It's
her
like
the other day.
there's like a utopia, and like it exists because they torture this one child.
Yeah.
in the basement.
Yes.
So yeah, it was essentially
It is
that.
It is very. Oh
That's
yeah. Oh yeah.
The first thing that came to my mind when
Jacob
like,
Geller
I got
says
to
that in
pick
his
the
video
ending.
about it, right? Maybe. Sorry, maybe I just spoiled
I don't
it.
know. I
Jacob
did
Geller.
not watch. I didn't watch it because
It
I didn't want to be spoiled on it.
Sorry, I might have just spoiled the Jacob Geller video for you. I think it is literally exactly that.
Oh well, I mean, whatever.
Player,
That's also what I
versus
thought.
controller, player count.
But yeah, so that's why I picked that one. But yeah, and like I thought about the end. I thought about it for like a couple of hours, and I felt bad. Like I felt really bad, and so like I went back and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna watch the other ending, see what it is, see if like it was any better. And like I watch it and I'm like, oh no, this is horrifying. I picked the right ending. Like the way she, like, they're all just like, okay, first of all, that fucking scene where like he's dying and he's just like, kill me, unpaint me or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god. Like I was just like mouth agape. Like,
I was like, yeah, that was like, why not? Just do it. Then it's kind of better. But like,
because it's her
yeah,
brother.
especially since like, yeah, but she has no fucking problem obliterating that other fucking like his sister or whatever, like just boosh, gone, right? She had no fucking problem doing that.
Yeah,
That was,
well, I
with
think
a
that was
heartbeat.
like
She barely even thought about
her.
it.
That was like, I think
Right?
she saw that as like not her, you know.
I forget. Is Mael
she
able
sucks.
to get rid of Verso,
she's
or
all talk.
and
She
just
doesn't
doesn't
actually
want
fucking
to?
think of these paint people as actually, living souls. He does suck. Male sucks, but like,
Yeah, she does suck.
I'm here for the the paint people.
So I forget in the lore of it, is Mael able to just get unpaint Verso if she wants, but she just doesn't want to?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
she
mean,
did it
when
to
she
his
comes
sister.
back with the white hair, she's like essentially like
Fully
the
realized
paintress.
as, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's nothing special about Verso. I can't remember. It's been a minute. There's nothing special about Verso where he can't be unpainted or anything like that.
No, yeah. No, he's just another one
And
of them.
and why couldn't he unpaint himself? I guess I can't remember.
He's not real. He's been implanted with the real Verso's memories, but he is a painted creation.
Yeah, like he doesn't have the whatever
Doesn't have the
power that
powers.
the painters have.
So and yeah, so only Maëlle, Renoir,
And the paintress herself.
and the paintress have that power.
Oh.
Yeah.
And Clay.
Man, how great! Like that the guy who plays Verso, like the ending with the piano. Like I was like, oh my god, this is the worst thing I've ever. Like I felt so bad. And he like he fucking nails it. And like it, like the scene, like it shoots to like the opera house, and there are like other people outside, but like they never come in. It's only like the people that Maëlle knew.
Our painted friends.
Yeah.
The
like and like Verso is there. What seems to just be like being forced to play the piano. Like this is what you want, wasn't it? You wanted to be a musician. I'm gonna make you a musician.
This is strange. What I thought would be an easy fix is not an easy fix. I see it get registered, and then magically it's unregistered, and I don't know why. And it'll even come back one more time. Let's see.
Yeah, but it was very like they played very well to like, oh, I played this game for 45 hours or whatever, and I'm going to just and like, oh no, I'm going to make the other decision. Like this is the thing that I've been not wanting to happen the entire time. And it is the right thing to do.
Yeah, it was good. Very good. Very well done.
Very well done. Big fan.
the
Definitely my game of the year.
I wish you had finished it earlier so I could remember the gist of why I didn't like the ending and the second half of the story as much is because I loved the first half. I loved the idea of the gommage and the mystery behind it, and it seemed to be very character focused at the beginning, but my feeling going into the end was, and I think this comes, now that I'm thinking through it, I think where this comes from is like, why couldn't Maëlle just let him go? She seems to care for him, right? Or the original Verso at least.
Selfish.
Like why she's so not selfish up until that point, and it just seemed like to get to that cool decision, which is it is cool, and I get how they're trying to make you feel, but like it felt like they went against what they had built her character up to be, even after the oh my god I'm a clone moment when Maëlle realizes who she is.
I don't think she was ever that. I think she was being pretty selfish the entire time.
Maybe if I rewatched it, I would read that way. But at the time, I definitely felt like, what the fuck happened with her character? Like it felt like out of nowhere to me.
Oh, I think I know what's happening here. I think I have some ideas, guys. I have some ideas. Okay, let me test one thing. Test the thing. Hopefully this is it, because that would save me so much trouble.
Even with all the horror of the bad ending, quote unquote, I feel like Gustav is there at the end in the theater with them, right?
Yeah,
I was
he's
weirdly
good,
happy
good
to see him. I was like, well, at least Gustav's there.
Many voice lines. We
He
can
does.
get Charlie Cox back.
Well,
But yeah,
the
Gustav
voice
seemed
lines,
happy.
It's just Verso panicking and like crying the entire thing.
Aha. Okay.
Figure it out.
I know partially what's wrong. For some reason, so it must have been they updated the multiplayer. Before, I believe what they used to do is always spawn, because I'm using Unity NGO, and I did upgrade that package when I updated the Unity version. It used to be that they would always spawn your player first, and then they would spawn the other player controllers. Now it looks like what's happening is it's spawning whoever's like at random, basically. Not a lot, actually. Most often, it looks like it's spawning yours, Chris, and it's registering to your thing.
Just because I'm the host right now, or always mine?
Yeah, just because you're the host right now. So it's not registering to the actual player's controller; it's registering to someone else's networked player controller. So I need to go. I just need to make. I should be able to just add some logic to check which player controller it's attached to first. I just have to see how it's grabbing this player input wrapper actually. That's coming from player. Where does it grab player input wrapper?
Also, Jeff, in Caves of Qud, is there any downside to getting Mumble Mouth? All it's done so far is just tell me secrets that I get to trade for reputation for nothing. Seems like a good effect.
I mean, I guess it could be like. Oh wait, is it a thing you pick in the beginning, or?
No, it's a
I don't
condition
know.
that is afflicted upon you, and it's like you've come down with Mumble Mouth, and then
know if
you
I've ever
grow
got
a
it.
mouth that starts talking. I've gotten it like 3 times, and it's only helped me, honestly. But the way it's presented is like, you have a disease.
Yeah, I've never gotten it, so I don't know.
Theoretically, I guess it could. I'm expecting it to like mouth off to somebody and make them attack me at some point or something like that, but that has not happened yet. Also, I really need a mouth right now because my face got chopped off. I don't have a face currently.
What a game.
What a game indeed.
I wish I enjoyed playing Caves of Qud a bit more.
I want to make I'm working on a game that's a little bit influenced by it, but I want to make a game that's much more simmy and influenced by it, and I want to make a multiplayer Caves of Qud. Like a co-op Caves of Qud. That's slightly more accessible. It needs just slightly better
Getting insider info on the next game.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if this will be the next game, but it'll be a game. We'll see how easy it is. When we get to the next
I think
game
the
point,
fun of that is how complicated it is, though. Like finding a new thing
yeah,
every time.
it was in development for something like 11 years or something, right?
A long time. I think I got it a couple of years ago and just like forgot about it until it came out.
But yeah, I would love to do a game that's pure theater of mind and no graphics at all, because I basically started working on a game that's kind of similar to that, but it has graphics. Yeah, and the graphics are even pretty limited there. Like there's only a few different sprites for each thing, but even that, just because of the amount of enemies and wildlife and stuff I want in it, it takes so long to make a new enemy. Not so long, but like what would take maybe an hour to make a brand new mob takes maybe 4 hours because of considerations with making things look nice. And when you don't have to worry about that at all, it's, I feel like I could do, yeah, something more simmy, all theater of the mind, everything happening in your head pretty much.
Just like a mud.
Basically.
Yeah.
Like a mud, but not meant to be played by, you know, made for 4 to 6, or maybe like 1 to 6 players instead of dozens.
Yeah.
It's just, I think it would be very freeing to not have to worry about graphics at all. Or not graphics, but animations.
No, that's not our part.
Love doing animation. Haven't animated in a long time.
I do love animations, but when you're doing something that simmy and big, I feel like...
I just mean I like doing them.
Yeah.
Making it. Animating people. Shit.
While we're waiting, do you guys want to discuss the Steam page stuff, or actually, I'll leave that up to Marcus if you want us to wait.
No, you can do it. I'm on to something. I think but it's gonna take me a second, and I'm gonna have to rebuild anyway once I get it working. Just make sure that you keep this shit open so that I can keep testing in it, please.
All right. So the main, I'll go through the minor ones first. First one is I asked for a game URL, like a website, and I just put the play script for that. I think that should be fine. I also have a note that I think we should repurpose the Discord server for the Rune game and just make a general Heartlamp Games Discord with a different channel for each of our projects, this being one of them, so we could put that in the social section.
Oh my god.
Eventually we should look into what it takes to do workshop support, because that's one of the things. I'm not sure how hard it will be to set up after we've gotten approval, like if that will kick us back into pre-approval status.
Workshop support's important, so yeah, we should figure that out.
And then here, okay, so here's the first thing. I'm gonna stream for a second in Discord. It looks so weird.
Oh my god, you gotta stop. You're not attenuated anymore, I can just hear you.
I've never been attenuated.
My cursor's working now. I'm gonna just join a couple more times. I
Hold on.
believe
Rem is hitting me up.
it may be fixed. So it was close to what I had said it was. It was wasn't a race I mean, it was basically a race condition, but it was yeah, it was a race condition, but it was actually I thought I was registering to Chris, but it wasn't. It was just that it's Unity's input system. Every player, because it's a prefab, because it has to be a prefab in Unity NGO. Every player has like a player input receiver for Unity, like Unity's built-in component, and Unity's built-in component was just grabbing the first one it would see, and that just happens to be the network player most of the time, the host most of the time. So I have to disable the network receiver if it's not an object that you own. So I believe that should cover it. So it must have been that Unity changed the way either things initialized or they changed the way that the player input stuff gets identified. Either way, I should be able to just build this now, and that should fix it.
Right on.
Build profiles. It may take like 5 to 8 minutes usually to build.
I'll be right back.
If I recall right. All right, cool. That should fix that.
Hold on, I gotta let Rem in.
Oh boy.
Did you say thank you?
What a day. So fucking busy today at work.
But also, her mom gave. Okay, so her mom is.
Gave you sodas? Brazilian sodas? Can I try it? Just give me the last sip. Is this the last sip?
She doesn't want your gross germs. Is that why she won't let you drink it?
Rem, why don't you like sharing your soda with me? Because I'm nasty. Don't say anything personal. I'm streaming. You know how I can tell this isn't from America? Because it's not super sugary. It's like.
I'm back.
It's good though. It's a cookie. I don't know. Mommy brought it home. Did they buy you anything? I told you to say no.
Fought real hard. I swear, Dad.
I can buy. Oh. Don't tell your mom, like. I didn't.
You know how much they spent? I'll give you money for. Okay. Isn't that what Dubai chocolate is?
It's kind of like Dubai. Doesn't like Dubai.
What a great grift this is that Remy's come up with. Oh yeah, Dad, they bought me
Okay,
$200 worth of stuff.
I'll get it back to him, I swear.
Yeah, I'll get back to him.
It was just like, oh, I can buy this kid and all you got.
It's fine.
And then just this?
They seem very nice. They seem very nice. Love you. Do you have a build up, Marcus?
It's building still. Only 4 minutes and 20 seconds into the build.
Alright, here.
Do we still have our friend, or is he gone?
He's still in the. He's still in the. Yeah, he's still in the room too. He's the green hand, I think.
Give it a try.
Okay, so.
I'm around.
He's around.
Okay.
Says.
It should be done in the next like 5 minutes.
Okay, so. The actually important stuff. So I should be streaming in Discord, I think.
Okay.
Happy to test it with you folks.
Right on. Thank you, sir. Build should be up in about 5 minutes here. But okay, so I just wanted to for the tags, this is what I did. This is what it says we're similarly tagged at. Should we put co-op? I'm not like you know, co-op's not really the draw of our game, though we do technically have a co-op mode in there now. So should we put co-op or just competitive?
They put it in.
You can put it in. It's we may have to remove it if things break in it, because I haven't been officially supporting it at all. With our updates and stuff, I've been focusing solely on the.
It is the lowest priority thing on there currently, so I'll just leave it in there for now.
Like we can always just change the tags later, right? It's not like you have to change the tag. Or is that not a thing that you can do?
No, yeah, tags you can change anytime. Tags you can change anytime, but there are
so
things
I'm not
that
too
we
worried about that.
can't change later. And I also put choices matter, which
I think comedy should be above indie and 2D.
Yeah, comedy should be higher.
Comedy should be pretty high.
I also don't. I feel like choices
sorry,
matter.
that was the original one. So that's what I thought choices matter was a little misleading too, but ChatGPT told me Jackbox uses it for all of theirs, and I didn't actually check that, but it did seem that the higher I moved choices matter in the priority, the more it matched just with Jackbox compared to these other games. So it wouldn't surprise me if they did. Sorry, this is the actual priority now. That was the initial.
I don't understand. Like, when I see choices matter in tags, I feel like it's like this is a story game.
Choose your own adventure, yeah. Or it's like story game, or like a
Until
RPG
Dawn or something.
Yeah, I thought the same thing, but if Jackbox does it, I think we should leave it.
Just copy exactly.
Yeah, you could theoretically, but like, does Jackbox have games where choices do matter? Like, maybe that is the case.
I guess
like,
if you pick the wrong answer in trivia games.
Is it, or
No,
are
like
they
games
saying like,
devoted
oh,
to
this is
that,
like
I
you're
think.
voting
Yeah.
because you're voting, choices matter. I feel like it's weird. I personally do feel like it's a little disingenuous, but I don't know. I'll leave it to.
I will
the
say when I
group's
remove
decision.
it, we don't get similarly tagged with Jackbox at all.
I don't think people
That
will
seems
give a
crazy.
fuck
Let's
if
click.
it's
Just click on a
not
Jackbox game and see what they have. Other
No one will
than
be
that.
like,
That's-
I thought this was gonna be like Until Dawn. This is bullshit.
Here, let me go
Let's
see
see.
what one of
Jackbox Party Pack 11. How do I see its tags? Show me your tags.
Reveal to me.
Okay, I see casual, strategy, party game, board game, trivia, 2D. That's user-defined tags. How do I see its own tags? Or does that mean the tags are user-defined, and you are applying them? I'm not sure exactly how it works.
All of the tags I'm seeing were options for what I could pick from on here, but
maybe they're like pre-populated things until they get replaced by user things.
I don't know how that works.
Oh man, I can't believe they announced Ace Combat 8. I'm super excited for that.
Yeah, I'm seeing mostly just like trivia, multiplayer, funny, casual. That's for the third party pack. Party game, party, funny, word game, board game. For 7. 9 is casual, trivia, board game, word game, 2D, party game. These are again just the user-defined tags. So I feel like it would maybe just match those types of user-defined tags.
We have all of those.
I feel like choose your own adventure. It doesn't fit personally.
It's not choose your own adventure. Choices matter, but the
choices matter. Sorry.
Yeah, I just don't know if the similarly tagged games goes away, or actually I didn't have it in this exact order when I removed it entirely.
Could be just for here. Hold on.
Shit, I probably the thing probably shut down because I was
It could just be for
I'm
before it's available.
Yeah, maybe that is the case. I'm not sure. Do you think the similarly tagged games though has anything to do with how likely will be to show up for somebody who plays these games, a Jackbox game?
That could be it.
Yeah,
too.
I'm sure
Yeah.
that's part of it, but I think more like it won't unless we like
So,
break into some sort of like new and trending list. I don't think it really matters.
When
that
I had
much.
the thing in this order and I removed choices matter, Jackbox did not show up down here. It might still show up with things in this order. I don't know. Because like every time you change even one thing, it usually changes them. So I'll leave it in there. I'll take it out unless we don't get matched with any Jackboxes, I guess.
It would be
Okay,
weird
you
if
should
it
be able
didn't.
to reload now. 0.6.3. This is a new build. I think I accidentally skipped a number, but whatever.
Alright, let's we'll come back to this. Let's
You did, that's fine.
play around while we have a friend.
Alright.
Yeah, go ahead and host, Chris. I'll join.
Oh, I got the error message again. I probably just am on the wrong version, right?
Yeah, you're on
You need to
0.6.1.
refresh.
You gotta be on 0.3.
6.3.
I probably should handle that somehow, but I don't. Can you not type?
I can not type, but also let me just refresh again. I have been having an
This
issue
is
with that might be a separate issue. I've been having an issue with oh no, hold on, let me try plugging in and out. I've been having an issue with Arc Raiders where this happens.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
your
Let me try
keyboard.
to host.
Yeah, go ahead. You host, Jeff. Because I can type all day, and that's never been an issue. So I was
Yeah,
gonna say that's
never happened to
that's a
me.
new one.
0.6.0 by
How do I copy the code? Do I just click it? I've never been
Yeah,
the
just
host
click it.
before.
Marcus, can I
Just click
well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, you can come to this this
DWB.
URL.
bestviewersstreambo.com. Remove the space at O
There
switches.
we go. DQL GWB. I always mix up the code and the name. I want to put my name first. Alright, I can move my hand. It's a good first sign.
Yep. See how number 3 comes. All right.
Alright.
Chris is moving.
Yeah. Hey, look. At work, I program 8 hours a day. Well, a lot of times, like 10 hours a day on stuff. Systems are a lot better there, okay? When you come here to our dev team, it's a hot fucking mess. Things are not as nearly as organized.
Let's give Buried Things a minute to try and pop in here.
Yeah.
Get his shit together.
Or sorry, I probably didn't share the code with you. Let me share the. I probably didn't linger on it long enough, and you're probably rewinding trying to find it. There it is. Put it in the chat.
Ah, an excellent tester. Alright.
Sure.
Close your stream and start.
I figured that's what was everything I realized because I had lingered on it on my screen before that. So, Buried Things, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a setup here.
You see what happens.
And then you're going to make a comic with these little stickers down there. If you want to swap them out, you click on those.
I love the art.
Buried Things loves the art. I am seeing everyone's hands.
Oh no.
Same.
Yep,
Yeah,
that's true.
Yeah.
Wait, can you move?
No, someone just clicked exactly.
No, it's because I normally hide them. I forgot to hide them. Deal with it.
Yeah, we'll deal with it for this round.
Deal with it for now. I will I'll get a comic made and then I'll fix that. It should be an easy fix.
Curious to see how easy a time Buried Things will have
without
having gone through the tutorial. Yeah.
Yeah. And also having a start button at the top right instead of a submit button. Look, there's quite a few bugs in our game, okay? It's very much still prototype. Oh, I should probably have my my tab open still somewhere so I can keep it live at least. Okay, so I need to hide those hands, huh?
The main issue is my extreme uncreativity.
I do need to hide those hands.
Seems all good.
Buried Thing says, I think the main issue is my extreme uncreativity. Haha, the controls seem all good.
Oh, don't worry. The hardest part in the very beginning is it feels like it's impossible to make a comic at first. It's not just you.
Yeah, everybody has a hard time the first time.
Yeah. Okay, disable player input but don't return, so that you register. Okay. Alright, I think that'll work. I'll build that. See, in my head, I knew I'd need 2 versions, which is why I skipped two versions.
Just let him know that the start button on the top is the lock-in button.
It's a submit button. Yeah. Did you ever make me a new button for that, Jeff? I don't remember.
I don't remember either. I don't think so. I think I forgot what you wanted to call it, so I just made it.
I
Yeah.
think
Directly
just
matched
submit.
inside the comic frames while my
That's
hand
good.
is also inside the frame. As soon as my hand leaves the frame, my sprite now pops over and doesn't belong to any frame anymore.
I see everyone. So does everyone keep their?
That's actually
their monitor-
intentional. I'll explain after this round is over when we get rid of all the hands in front of everything.
Oh, gotcha.
Just make it really hard to do what you're trying to do. Sorry. I'll move my hand away.
Wisdom teeth is something that we do quite a bit of, and it's something where a lot of people get an exposure to our practice at a relatively young age.
Wisdom teeth or third molars are the last teeth.
Oh
to
man,
come in.
building
As such, there's typically not
really
enough room for
takes
them
up a
to
lot of processing power on my computer. The game is struggling for me right now because I'm building.
Oh, and also the start button is actually the submit button.
long-term are. By coming in early and talking through the process, you get a chance to plan ahead for something that we know isn't the most fun thing you're ever going to do, but at least we can make it convenient.
Move my hand out of the way.
You all waiting for me? Haha, sorry. Creating a work of art here.
Alright, now let's see.
I like it.
This is great.
Thank you. Everything says this is great. Alright, now we vote.
Oh,
I'm gonna guess
these are
this
all
one
really
was buried
good.
things, and I gotta say I'm rather impressed. Most people don't even get a full comic their first time.
Yeah, most people get
I don't
nonsense.
know whose this is, but they all have text bubbles.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely got
Um,
further than most people on your first try.
Tough call between 2 for MNE.
I think there it goes.
Yeah, it's always there's some good ones in here.
Oh, I ran out of time, damn it.
Ah, yeah, you know, the cow ran away with it. It was just nothing more like a, nothing's as good as a creepy cow.
Busy typing in chat, haha.
No worries. Even if you had voted for Jeff here, I think Dave ran away with it.
Insomniac. Sorry.
Oh, he would have given it to you, Marcus. Yours was
Oh, thank
Insomniac, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to keep running through, or are we gonna restart for the hands thing?
My build's still going.
Okay, we'll keep going.
Unfortunately, the build is reliably like 5 to 8 minutes. It's not like it.
Well, this is gonna be a tough one.
faster.
I did not pay attention.
I didn't look at my. Everyone gets different random setups, or were we all looking at the same?
Everyone gets different.
They're random completely, so you could theoretically get the same.
What else are you? All. What else are you? You're all that.
Yeah, I'm having that bug again where for some reason text box, grabbing a text box can get wonky. If you don't you have to push an object way to the back for some reason to get the text box to grab on top. I gotta look into that on why that is.
Oh, the font for the black one does not have punctuation.
Oh,
not your fault.
Interesting.
Not your fault.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We need to change that all out anyway, right? We talked about doing that so that it supports multiple languages, localization and stuff.
Can you change layer sort order?
Yes, you can. It is mouse wheel. So if you mouse wheel up, it will push things to the back. If you mouse wheel down, it will push things to the front. But it has to be, I think it has to be over top of the thing that you want to sort it against, basically.
While you're hovering over it.
Yeah, so like the things have to
target
be
the hovered sticker.
over top of each other.
Alright, the build's done.
Thank you.
Also, don't take your time, buried things. Use your 90 seconds. I want to see your full, lovely comic.
Yeah, and also it gives me more time to put the build up.
Good use of the pencil. Great use of the pencil.
See, it has its uses.
Beginner's Guide to
does.
Reading is also a nice little side gag. I love that one. That's a great last panel.
Yeah.
If we were just voting by last panels, it's almost like the... We've been at it a while, basically. But honestly, I couldn't tell which one. I couldn't tell which
Yeah.
one was yours. So they were all.
These are all very, very good.
You're hanging with us for sure. He's saying. He was saying. He's like, I have no idea how you guys are getting so much detail and.
Some of it also is just in the setup.
able to
It depends
use
on the setup you
controls.
get.
Yeah, it depends on the setup, but also your familiarity with what the different poses are for the stickers helps a lot too.
Yeah, that helps a lot.
Yeah, I can't talk to you like this one came with all the like. I literally just put in the guy there and the talking.
Pretty even spread.
I wish I voted for Buried Things now. His was really good. I think
I didn't see which one he was.
His
Which
was the
one
first
he?
one, the nerd.
nerd one.
He got swole.
Well, that's just because he suffered from positioning. The first one is the last one.
Yeah,
you
recency
remember.
bias affects a lot. Yeah, it's the animation. It does do that. I need to find a better punchline, but this works if all else fails. Yeah, this is fine. I will say, we had play tested with actual, with like actual game developers who were board game developers, but is this the first time playing with someone who develops games outside of ourselves?
Unless Marcus
No, or my work friends.
Oh, right.
They do game jams occasionally. Yeah, but first time in a while first time we have anyone that isn't like obligated to tell us nice things. Let me get out of the panel way.
I always just hit the button as soon as I feel like I'm done in the first place, and then like sit there for a minute, and I'm like, oh, I should have fucking done.
Yeah.
There should be an unready up if you.
Well, I think what Chris was saying is it should be ready because we do want to encourage people to be done quick, or sooner. But then it should be but it shouldn't show you your comic, so you can't look at all your mistakes.
Yeah, I mean, you could do it so that if you hit it again, it will overwrite what's there, but it doesn't save any changes after you've read it until you hit it again, I guess. But I kind of like the idea that you're committed to it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so do I. Just.
Who are we missing?
I do think I don't want to look
David.
at it. I think it's probably for the best if I don't look at it. It makes me feel bad.
Me, Chris, Jeff, our friend, and David.
Damn, I used my entire clock on this one.
Right on. Just that first panel alone is great. This is fantastic, but honestly, the first panel alone is just like perfect.
It just does it, yeah. That was great.
Oh man, mine's not gonna stand a chance.
Ah, bunch of good ones again. Hard to choose.
I don't know which one I'm going with. There's two, it was kind of between two. I was kind of between this one and this one.
Look, they even numbered the chopper. It's just
Yeah.
that attention to detail.
I'm
what
undoing
got
the
it for
recency bias though. I'm going for the mouse. It made me laugh first very hard.
Everyone line up in the middle here. Both solid. Those are my top two.
Yeah, those are my top
Yeah,
two too.
both were my
Those are both great.
Alright, normally, so this will go on forever. So we normally just stop after 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dave in first and a 3-way tie for second for everybody but me.
Yeah.
no one knows who got
Yeah, just as it.
second place.
Are we
For
still going or are we done?
We'll jump out. The only thing I do want to do is just jump into a quick fake round to just confirm that the hand thing is fixed.
Thank you. Barry Things says this is really legit.
Great work, folks.
Thanks for playing, Barry Things, and everyone, everybody else, please go wishlist Barry
I got
Things
that.
games again.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you put it in the Discord, I will.
Yeah, I'll post it in there.
First words. Right?
Yeah, we got quite a bit of
First words, yes.
polish to do, but we're on the way. We're on the way.
Is there a way to
Alright,
just
let me
share this?
Oh, I forgot to save all those comics. Shit, I normally save
Oh,
every one,
that's
and I
good.
forgot to.
Fuck.
I saved some of them.
I do enjoy seeing.
We are
Go back
actually
and
working on
save
the
them.
live Steam page right now. We need to do the capsules and stuff, and we want to have workshop
Take
support
off
so people can put their own
Oh wait,
images
maybe I
in
lied.
there.
Maybe I didn't. I just do it so
Weirdly
unthinkingly that
now.
I just I just didn't. Yeah, I do have them. Okay, we're good.
I'll keep an eye out.
If you
Right
could,
on,
if
right
I just need 2 people to join me so I can test the hand thing to make sure the hands
Would
Would
disappear.
work fantastically for workshop
you have the
support
code
yet.
Yeah, that's in Discord.
Yeah, this was the other thing is like I don't know if we do workshop support. I really don't know how to fill out the. I already kind of really don't know how to fill out the like rating thing. Just kind of anything could go in there.
Well, I mean that's with any game. Like there
Yeah, I
there has
think
to be
that's
some
just
sort of
workshop
like if you download mods,
I have a
then
I can do my
out the
hand.
window.
Alright.
Yes,
Yeah. Well,
you can
everyone
do
should be able to see their hand right now, and everyone should be able to.
Oh,
move.
the thing you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We won't run an actual round here. I just want
Got
to make
it.
sure the hands are gone, and it looks like they are. But let's check one. Let's check in the actual draw setup phase, because the hands can come back at any time. There's just like a system for turning the hands on and off. Oh yeah, someone just jumped. Oh, because Chris just joined. You get the fuck out of here.
Did I ruin it?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. You're a special case. We'll ignore you. That's a different issue. You're not supposed to be able to join at this stage, but I don't have that system in yet. Okay, so everyone else's hands are gone except for this.
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
only a cactus in my. I have only a cactus in my
That's
bin.
because you came in late and you didn't get like assigned the proper data in the beginning, so you're like fake here. All right, we can quit. We don't need to. Yeah, someone can back us out of it. Whoever the. Oh, I'm the host, aren't I? Why can't I back us out? I guess you just can't back out at this stage. All right, I'm just gonna close it. You should be kicked out in 30 seconds. I should put that back button everywhere.
Alright,
Ah,
alright.
so much more, dude to polish this game, and so many bugs to fix. But we're a step closer than we were yesterday.
I think just get the mobile stuff in. Fix the bugs, get the mobile stuff in there, and then like we can do like literally just go through every aspect of the experience and just polish it up. We'll just go through it in a linear fashion and just say what can we add here. Are you done fixing bugs for now, Marcus? Can I go back to my Steam page notes?
Yeah, that's it. That's all the stuff I need to test. Thank you, everybody, for
Alrighty.
testing.
And yeah, thanks again, Barry. Things like I was very impressed with your comics. That that was the most impressive first-time comics I've seen. I think
That was a great first the That last
Only
round was
small
really
visual
good.
bug
Yeah.
is that because of the bounce into position animation on the bar chart, when I stayed at 0 points, I saw my bar just peek out for a second. Might want to bypass the animation if there's no value changes.
Suggestion from Barry Things, you might want to bypass the animation on the bars if you get no points, because he was thinking he got points that one round and was disappointed.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, we could do that. It was supposed to be something like a no, not actually. Just to give it some sort of because like if you go through a lot of people that don't have any points and there's like nothing on the bottom, it's timed, so it doesn't look great.
Yeah.
But I could probably just set it up to only animate the people that have points and do that. Do length or put the round length based on that.
Totally. Alright, so the tags. Yeah, let me stream again real quick.
That's intentional.
Don't look at that.
That's kind of fun. Maybe it just needs telegraphing with some cartoon sounds or something.
He says, oh, if that's intentional, that's kind of fun. Maybe just needs some more telegraphing with like a cartoon sound or something.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
like
polish we need.
Yeah.
Like a
Game needs a lot of sound.
Yeah, we don't have any sounds.
Yeah, we do need sounds. Okay, so yeah, so these are the current this is the current priority of our tags. Would you, Jeff? You were saying you would move comedy above indie.
Yeah.
The party game. Okay. And anything else?
Or funny. I don't know. Like, what is the more?
So when I looked, I can't remember what I looked up the difference between comedy and funny was in their tags, but I looked it up and thought that comedy was more apt for
Yeah,
us.
I guess funny could just be like, what's the name of that game where you're like the little beanie guys that fall over each other?
Fall Guys?
Yeah. No, the other one. Where you grab on and climb shit.
Maybe Gang Beasts? Oh, Human Fall Flat?
Human Fall Flat.
Yeah. Human Fall Flat.
Like comedy.
Same thing for cartoon and cartoony though. Like, I couldn't really differentiate those, so I threw them both in there. But okay, if no one else has any suggestions, and I guess I'll put remove choices matter if we are still matched with Jackbox. What are we doing early access, or like because there's a section that's like, is this early access and will price change when you're full access? I don't know if that's the only way to release it for free and then later charge for it, or what?
Well,
you're free to always choose.
Is our friend in early access? Because there's just a plate. He has a play test right now. Is that early?
Released a playtest first, yeah.
I think playtest is different from early access. I think those are different.
Okay,
things.
so maybe we do the
there's a
same thing.
playtesting
We just
system.
do a playtest. We label it as playtest.
Yeah.
Let's see early
If I
access
remember right, the
anywhere on
Beladzer
this.
guy actually
his.
was talking specifically about how he ran playtests through Steam, and that
I
was a
don't know.
big deal.
Theirs.
Alright, I'll look into how to do that. Obviously, we still need the graphical assets. Okay, here's the main one. On the content survey for the rating, yeah, I like from what I looked up, we yeah, like
is a separate app. We have two Steam apps.
hold on.
One is Playtest, one is Main.
Okay, so you do actually have to make a separate app for the play. Is that the only way to do it? Do you know? Buried Things is saying for theirs they have a separate app, like a separate game listed. That's their playtest, and then they have the real one, which is the main, which probably is, now that I'm thinking about it, the way the way it's done generally, because like every game that I had a playtest of, like Arc Raiders and all those, was like a separate install.
Yeah.
So we would have to pay another $100 to do that, which is whatever.
Our publisher handled this, so
I think it would be worth it.
Setup, but it's a separate app which points to the same store page, etc.
Okay, he said our publisher handled this, so I don't know the details, but it's a separate app which points to the same store page, etc. So yeah. Getting back to the content survey thing real quick. So from what I looked up, like the only things I thought would be appropriate for us to tick, like there's all sorts of stuff like suicide, like depictions of hate, depictions of violence, depictions of sexual assault, that stuff. All of that stuff could technically be made in our game with the things, but from what I understand, if it's user-generated content, you don't need to tag it. But I did tag cartoon violence, just because of there's like images that imply hitting. There's a gun, so I felt that was fair.
Yeah, middle finger.
And depictions of alcohol, and I did not put depictions of illicit drugs though. If we ever want to put a weed sticker in, or like a joint sticker in, if we ever wanted to do that, we have to kick it back to, this is the one thing that we have to, like if we put this through and we add a new sticker where this would need to be updated, we actually have to reach out to Steam and have them kick it back to a state where we can change this again. So, we kind of need to figure out what stickers we want to allow by these rules if we don't want that to happen.
Allow in the workshop, or
allow as a default, I would say.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we can leave out, like, put it in a cigar or something.
Yeah, leave it able to be implied rather than.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Okay.
If the people that want their weed stickers can do it through the workshop.
Okay, so we just need to make sure that the only questionable things we have are cartoon violence and like illegal legal drugs rather. Yeah. Just make sure we only have legal drugs and cartoon violence.
You can even put a prescription pill bottle in by these.
Yeah, as long as there's a literal prescription on it, right? As long as it's got like an RX on there.
The alternate poses, and that would be fine. Right, all legit. Above board. Swear.
That's pretty much it. That was the main big one.
I got these from a doctor, man.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I had.
Alright. Well, I'll clean up some bugs. I will go and look at mobile. Mobile, I'm gonna estimate like 2 weeks to get that working again. I mean, the controls should be easy because that's all just abstracted out already. It's the like we said, the visuals. Like we want to play it in portrait mode, so we'll have to add some controls for moving the camera and shit like that, and also yeah, just having just a slightly separate camera system for it.
Right on.
All right, but I'm gonna call it there because I'm tired. I've worked a long day today, and I have to get up and go to Sammy's family tomorrow for like a Christmas thing, like a Christmas family gathering thing. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow if you're around playing games or something. Probably tomorrow night.
Right on.
Right. I am doing one more build because the I realized I accidentally was always turning the hand off if you weren't on network mode. So, or like the your controls off. So I have one more build to push to make offline mode work again. It was not working before.
Alrighty.
Talk to you guys later.
Later.
Oh.
You guys want to arc raid?
I do. I'm gonna wake up Chelsea to see. Actually, I'm just going to see if she's awake or not.
I'm gonna
Get
see
back
if
in a minute.
Also, I was gonna watch Knives Out with her.
Bedtime for me. Those folks, really fun game.
Yeah.
Absolutely captures the Jackbox vibes you're after. It could easily fit in theater games. Thanks for the stream.
Thank you, man. You have a good night. Barrett Thing says, bedtime for me, kudos folks. Really fun game, absolutely captures the Jackbox vibes you're after. It could easily fit into one of their packs. Thanks for the stream. Peace. Dave, you're not gonna be around, is that what you said? Button out again. Let's see. Yes.
This holiday season. and overdraft fees.
Check out 360 checking from Capital One.
Everyone's gearing up for the holidays. In a Chevy of their choice. And it all comes together in a Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
This is Azure, your intelligent cloud, where innovation is built to last. With the support of Azure, Kraft Heinz is creating a self-driving supply chain, improving forecast accuracy by 35%, so mealtime stays on time. The Premier League is a global way of life. Azure unites 30 years of league history into one experience. With personalized insights, the world's game just got more inclusive. Timeless brands never stop evolving. Azure helps Levi's craftsmanship stay ahead of the curve. Now agents connect expertise across departments, and jeans fit better, arrive sooner, and never go out of style. This is Azure, the next frontier of custom solutions. Ready to build the future?
Critics everywhere are falling in love with Ella McKay.
This is great we're doing this.
It's smart, funny, and timely. A breath of fresh air.
Any last minute advice?
Don't take Ambien more than 3 nights in a row. Ella McKay, rated PG-13, now playing only in theaters.
Prolitech, full-service commercial scent marketing, providing hassle-free scent experience with remote adjustments to scent your space how you want, when you want. We partner with premier olfactory developer DSM Firmenich to create eco-friendly, hypoallergenic diffusion to eliminate stubborn odors. Unlock the scent marketing secret your business craves with Prolitech, boasting over 95% customer satisfaction. Find out more today at prolitech.com.
Hello.
Yo.
No Dave or Chelsea?
Chelsea's in the shower right now. She'll be done in a minute. So she'll probably play after that.
Dave said something about watching Knives Out or something. I don't know if he said he'd come back. He'd be coming back or what.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Didn't really catch that either. I thought he said he was though.
When you walk into a Burlington, wow, you're walking into amazing prices and style. Wow. That's main character energy. Because at Burlington, the deals aren't the only thing turning heads. Seriously, with these savings, why shop anywhere else? Burlington deals, brands, wow.
Well, do you want to do a Stella run while we wait?
Sure.
I am free guy ready. Oh shit, I know that belch anywhere.
Oh boy.
No, what? I thought we were done with this shit. My game crashed.
No.
Oh god.
Maybe it was just a one-off. It was doing so well.
It was doing well for a while. What happened? I wasn't even. That's the first time it's ever crashed outside of an actual match.
They pushed update recently. Tuesday is the big December update.
Apparently, there was a way to get out of bounds using that one zip line.
That's what there was a few fixes having to do with the out of bounds. I don't know if they got them all or what. People have been complaining a lot about it. I've never seen it. We ran into people yelling about it on that one match, but never actually experienced it.
What do you do when you get out of it?
You shoot people, and they can't shoot you back.
I'll just solve that the same way you solve the other problem. Fire around the outside.
I might have to restart my computer here. All right, one more time. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to restart my computer. I'll be back.